I'm Matthew Buzzy with PC Mag, and I'm here with the Zenbook S16, a super premium and especially thin and light 16-inch laptop for creators, professionals, with a nice 3K OLED display.
The S16 is a professional or creator laptop with an eye-catching design and the upcoming generation of AMD Ryzen processors. Despite the more premium build, it starts at a fairly reasonable $1399, with models up to $1599. The lid style and material are the first things that caught my attention, especially with the laptop closed. Asus has rebranded its advanced ceramic material as Ceraluminum, which undergoes a chemical and electrical process to leave it with this durable, smooth coat finish. The geometric lines on the lid provide just a dash of style, and the both light and dark color schemes look attractive in person. This design is coming to the new smaller Zenbooks too. The next thing I noticed is how thin and light the S16 is, particularly for a 16-inch laptop. It measures a mere 0.43 inches thick and weighs 3.3 pounds, and its high-quality Ceraluminum shell make it pleasant to carry around. Asus's 16-inch screen, which gives the laptop its name, is a looker too. It is a 3K 120Hz OLED panel with sweet picture quality. General productivity and entertainment should be especially enjoyable on this screen, which is also particularly useful to creative professionals. Now we come to the internal components where, like everything else in tech right now, AI is added to the mix. The Zenbook S16 will run AMD's next generation of Ryzen processors, which include a neural processing unit, or NPU, for handling AI workloads locally. It will run at 28 watts, and Asus's thermal solution includes a super thin vapor chamber and interesting looking vents along the top. This follows AMD's limited availability of AI chips, Intel's current Meteor Lake and upcoming Lunar Lake platforms, and Qualcomm's new Snapdragon X AI chips. We can't share more about these AMD chips while showing you this product, but expect to see them in laptops like this in 2024. Speaking of Lunar Lake, the smaller 14-inch Zenbook S14 will opt for an Intel processor instead. The S14 will be among the first Lunar Lake systems available, so we look forward to getting our hands on it for testing too. Back to the S16, the laptop also supports Wi-Fi 7, and its chassis is military standard 810 rated. The touchpad also features smart gestures for changing brightness and volume without moving your hand away to the keys. Check back for a review of the S16 and other Zenbook systems as soon as they become available.
That's all for this system. We can't wait to see if its performance holds up to its classy design. Check back to PCMag.com for a full review.